day, everyone. Welcome to Tarish TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications. Thank you.
Social group Esan Youth Coalition has endorsed the re-election bid of the Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, while condemning the national chairman of All Progressive Congress, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, attempts to frustrate the governor's second-term bid. In a statement signed by the Honorable Henry Akpamen, Honorable Peter Odibo, and others, said that the disqualification of Obaseki by the screening committee set up by Comrade Oshiomhole did not come to them as a surprise, noting that they would never allow the return of the looter to manage the state affairs. Edo workers whose salaries are being paid as at when due are waiting to reward you with their votes. Thousands of pensioners who have not had any reasons to gather around Ring Road for a long time now to protest non-payment of their entitlement are yearning for you. They noted that thousands of public school teachers, market women, traders, artisans, parents, guardians, and public school pupils, youth, sportsmen, and women, and who are direct beneficiaries of the Obaseki-led administration's reforms will patiently await the governor's next line of action. The group described the disqualification of Governor Obaseki as a time bomb waiting to happen, owing that the lingering crisis between Comrade Oshiomhole and the governor, which defied all forms of settlement. According to them, what is, however, intriguing about the whole disqualification saga is not only the technical ground relief upon the screening committee, which exposes their bias and mischief, but also shows the present leadership of APC's disposition to the constitution and rules of the party that ought to guide her actions at all times. Condemning the disqualification of the governor as rape on democratic process, they urge members of the APC National Executive, NEC, and other stakeholders of the party to intervene and reverse the injustice, noting if the norm is allowed to persist, where decisions are made at the discretion of convenience of man or a group of persons, rather than the role of the party, then more persons, no matter how highly placed, are waiting to end up as victims. We therefore call on the governor to, without delay, speak to us and the entire Edo people on the next line of action, as we demand that he move to another platform, for where you go, we will follow. If this injustice is not addressed quickly, according to them, the re-election of Governor Obaseki presents the opportunity to appreciate the governor for his landmark performance, noting the APC cannot win the election in Edo State without Godwin Obaseki as a flag bearer.